2022 Collector's Edition Minion Dave from Thinkway Toys. Great for ages 4 and up. Get ready to chat it up with Dave, the merriest minion of all. Designed to look just like the cute character, this completely posable deluxe figure is dressed in that adorable uniform of overalls and goggles. He also comes with a certificate of authenticity, giving him the official Minion stamp of approval. In play mode, Dave will talk your ear off. Just press his chin to hear him laugh, babble, and more. He says over 30 phrases in all and makes funny facial expressions too. If you quickly press his chin twice, he even sings a silly Minion song. The coolest part? With the interactive talkback feature, you can speak directly to Dave, and he'll respond in his own Minion way. Hi, Dave. He can even tell when you're ready.